Good morning. Today is Monday, June 22nd, 2026. I am here at Marina San Pablo, and this is an after hull clean video. There was a bit of a film on the bottom. We went ahead and just wiped it off. Before I show you the hull cleaning, let me go over your zincs. You do have two outboard brackets for Yamahas. The specific model I can't really see right now, but I'm going to update in the notes. You do not have trim tab zincs. They do not have them. There's no holes for them. You also have a transom zinc that is an A25. So we're going to go ahead and check all of that out and check out the hull clean. Look like the trim tab paint was supposed to also be on the bottom of the trim tabs, but it has probably either chipped off or had been blown off from using the boat. I'll let Dane know about that just where he can let you know. Thank you for choosing DS Stack.